Hey, what's up everyone? So I want to talk a little bit about some of these heads. So we took our B1 heads that are going on the 131 motor we're building. So if you notice that these ports, that's the exhaust ports, are a little bit different than normal. So these heads are taller than your normal average head. So it's kind of hard to see, but the runner basically is up higher, so when the fuel comes in it goes straight down, compared to these heads, your normal heads, the runners are real short. So if the intake manifold is here, they just go in, kind of go up and then in, and these, the runners go from up high straight down on your intake and on your exhaust as well. But I wanted to show you size difference in valves. So to take in consideration, this is a 103 head that we poured and polished. We still haven't finished, waiting for the valves to come in. These are your stock valves. So this is your stock intake valve. So on this Screamin Eagle 110 head that we ported, we're getting ready to clean this up and cut the deck for a higher compression on another 110 build we're doing. But I basically wanted to show you, this is a 2.1 valve, and this is your stock 103 off a twin cam. Look at the difference. Humongous difference. So these valves here are off our B3 heads. These are S&S B3 heads that are going on the 143 cubic inch motor. Look at the size of those valves. It's crazy, right? Look at the difference. So the one on top, this one here, is just a stock 103 cubic inch twin cam. So on our B1 heads, we have a 2.0 valve, which we're gonna go ahead and open up their seats and open up the heads a little bit so we can put a 2.2 valve, because we don't have very much real estate on here compared to this one. So I also wanted to show you, look at the height difference. This one here is going on the B1 head, and this is your stock normal 110 or your normal twin cam height valve. These are 0.286 longer, and that gives us more room for a taller stack on our springs so we can run a higher lift. On this one we're going to run a 727 lift, humongous lift. But I just wanted to show you the difference on these valves so you guys can kind of take in consideration that in order for these Harleys to make some power, you have to open up these heads. So porting, polishing your heads, putting bigger valves are very, very important. So yeah, just to kind of show you the difference again, these are the ones going on the B3 heads. So even these valves right here going on your Screamin Eagle 110, humongous difference. So that's an advantage once you start opening up and porting and opening up the runners on these heads, and that's how you get a lot more fuel and air in and a lot more exhaust out. And that's why we highly recommend to open up these valves once you start building these bigger motors, these, you know, over 120 cubic inches. It's always good to open up these valves and heads and stuff. But anyway, just wanted to show you the difference. Thanks for watching, guys. We have more cool videos coming soon.